Hey, welcome to this week's Steam Culture. Now, if you're like me, I like food that has a lot of flavor. And usually flavor comes in the forms of some kinds of spice like pepper, those hot chili flakes, cumin, coriander, turmeric. I had to read about those. Those are all the things you hear about on those food networks. Well, those spices actually contain a lot of microorganisms before they get to you and I, of course. Things like E. coli and molds and other things that I can't pronounce. And they have to get rid of them, of course. Now, that's where the steam culture angle comes in, because I found out they take care of that with steam. Now, flashback, we did an episode a long time ago about how they pasteurize beef before it gets to us to kill some organisms. Now, remember, pasteurization means we get rid of some of the microorganisms. Sterilization means you get rid of all of them. So they actually sterilize these spices, and what they do is they send it through a machine, and they lay the spice out nice and evenly so that the whole product gets covered. They inject hot steam about 225 to 250 degrees and let it settle on there where it condenses. Now, when it condenses back into a liquid, it releases its energy, which is what does the sterilization work. Then it goes into a cooler so they dry out, and then voila, we have spices at our table. So maybe you knew that, but maybe you didn't, but you watch Steam Culture, and now you know that steam is used to help sterilize your spices that you use every day.